So what is up, Africana fam? It's your girl Young Africana back at it again with another hair video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I upgraded this wig and tailored it to not only my skin color but also to my face, and how I got these beautiful luscious curls. So if you want to see how I achieved this look from start to finish, then keep on watching. By the way, this wig is completely glueless, y'all, so let's get into it. So today's hair sponsor is from WowAfrican Hair, and this is how the wig came packaged. As y'all can see, we have it in a beautiful satin bag alongside with some hair goodies. I did go ahead and get a HD wig cap, and it comes with 2 pieces inside. Then we have a rat tail comb with a metal tip, and then also a baby hair comb, and then some 2 duckbill clips. Now on to the actual fun part. We're going to go ahead and unpackage this wig, and this is how the wig comes packaged. As y'all can see, this wig comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and the lace comes pre-cut. So for all of my lovely beginners, you do not have to do a thing about this wig except for tailoring it to your actual skin color. And this is the texture that it does come in. It comes in like this deep wave type of texture, and the hair is super dense and full, y'all. So this is not a typical closure. This is their 9x6 closure. As you guys can see, we still have a frontal effect but with a closure maintenance, and that is how the wig looks like on the inside. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on top of my head, and as you can see, the curl pattern is absolutely beautiful, but the lace does not match my skin tone. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and place and play around with this wig until I get it to a nice fit, and this is how it fits my head straight out of the packaging. As y'all can see, this is a good looking wig, but we can make it look better. So I am gonna go ahead and tint my lace first before we're gonna go into the styling. And the lace tint I will be using is the True Match lace tint in the color dark. I am gonna go ahead and flip the wig inside out and then spray 1 layer onto the lace and let that dry down via air drying. And as y'all can see, y'all, this is a perfect match to my skin tone down to the T. I finally found a new lace tint that actually matches my skin color. So True Match, y'all did y'all thing. Now, like I said, I'm not going to leave this wig just like this. I am going to go ahead and curl it with some wand curls. So right now I'm just using my fingers just to comb through the hair, and the hair is super soft. There were no tangles, no shedding whatsoever, y'all. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and just fluff up this hair and prep it for our wand curls. So I went ahead and placed my wig on the mannequin head, and I'm going in sections, and I'm using my 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐆 wand curler, and I'm going to go ahead and do some wand curls with some small sections. I do want my wand curls to be on the smaller side, so I am going on with smaller sections just so we can have a fuller and smaller curled type of look. So how I'm curling my hair is how I curl my hair with all of my wigs. I do curl away from my face, so I am curling in the opposite direction of the side that I'm on. So I am going to be curling away from my face and then taking small sections, and I'm just going to be repeating that all over. I do use the wand curl to kind of smooth out the top of the roots, just so that we get out all those waves, and then I'm going to go ahead and curl. And as I'm curling it, I'm like slightly twisting the actual hair to kind of give it that spiral look. And then I go ahead and release it as soon as I finish curling, and hold the curl just so that it could cool down. And I'm going to be doing this all over the head, so y'all could just watch me do my magic. I'm not going to talk too much, and yeah, just watch the magic, y'all. Now I have gotten to the closure part, and I am going to go in sections on each side of the part of the closure, and I'm going to use my 𝐻𝐼𝐼 wax stick on each part of just the roots, and then using my Andis hot comb on the hottest setting just to press out the roots so it's nice and flat. And then I'm going to go ahead and curl away from my face, and I'm going to be doing that until I reach to the top of the middle part. Now once that is done, I am going to go in with my Nairobi setting lotion, and I'm going to spray some of my 𝐻𝐼𝐼 hairspray and mix that together. And this is my little concoction that I do to really get those flyaways down, and overall just the top of my closure extremely flat. And that is just my little trick to get those flyaways down and your hair looking extremely sleek. And now once that is done, I am going to use my Andis hot comb and press out the hairline of the wig just to give it that frontal effect. And these are the finished results of how the wig looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the wig onto my head. I did my makeup off camera, and I'm just positioning the wig right where I want it. And y'all, do y'all see that match on my skin? It looks absolutely beautiful. So this is how the hair looks like, but I do want it to be bigger, so I am going to go ahead and use my fingers and rake through the roots of the curls without messing up the integrity of the curl. And this just helps the curls just look extremely fluffy but yet still very defined. So again, I'm only combing out the roots of the hair, and I'm going to keep on doing that until I get my desired look. And these are the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.